Right now, everyone is experimenting with AI, generating images, spinning up PDFs, testing prompts, trying every new tool that drops. And that's how we all start. It's fun. But after living inside these tools for a while, I started noticing something. It's incredibly easy to generate stuff with AI. What's harder is building something that actually goes somewhere. And that realization completely changed how I use these tools. Today I want to show you the shift. AI makes creation fast, dangerously fast. You can spin up an idea in seconds, an image, a document, even a product that looks almost finished immediately. So naturally people want to make lots of things. But most of those things are one-offs. They get posted, maybe someone downloads them, and then the story ends. Nothing connects, nothing expands. You just wake up the next day and start back at zero. At some point I stopped asking, what can I make with AI? And started asking a different question. Where could this idea go next? That small shift changes everything. Because now you're not just generating outputs, you're building an ecosystem. You're building assets. Something that can keep growing. A simple example of this for me is Pickles a Papillon. This didn't start as some big strategy. I have a Papillon, my background is in the fashion industry, so at some point I thought, hey, why not a fashion design Papillon? That was the seed. Just a character, but that character turned into a story. And the story turned into a book. And then I realized the same character could expand into other things. Coloring pages, drawing guides, activity books. Because once the first piece exists, AI can help you build the next layer much faster. If you're only using AI to generate random things, it's fun, but there's no momentum. New prompt, new project, constantly starting over. But when you use AI to expand an idea that already exists, the tools start working differently. Now you're exploring variations, testing directions, building layers on top of a foundation that's already there. And that's when things start getting interesting. So now when I'm working with AI, I don't start with the tool, I start with the idea. And I ask myself 3 simple questions. Can this idea evolve? Could it turn into more than one asset? Does it naturally lead to a next step? If the answer is yes, that's where I spend my time building. If the answer is no, it might still be a fun experiment, but it's probably going to stay a one-off. We're at a moment where anyone can click a button and create something. Images, documents, products. The tools are getting faster every day. But the real advantage isn't just creating something once. The real advantage is seeing how far one idea can actually go. That's where AI becomes powerful. In the next few videos, I'm going to show you that process as I keep building these projects and expanding them piece by piece. Because the tools are exciting, but what you build with them, that's where the real value is. Until next time.